How to change address in provisional driving license UK. So you can go ahead to your preferred browser and search for the gov.uk website. So go to the official service over here inside the website and you can search for it directly. So if you want to find it more directly, you can just search for change address on driving license and this should appear. If it doesn't appear, you can type the entire thing, but change address on the driving license and press on search. From there, you will have a few options like these over here. So of course, choose whichever suits your situation. But as for now, we're going to choose the apply online option for an example. So you will have the contents here in the top, and here you can change the address on either your full driving license or your provisional driving license, which is what you're looking for. It does not cost anything to change your address with DVLA as well, but you're going to have to take a look into these as well. Now, if you want to get started, you can just go ahead and press on start now. But if you want to learn more before you do, there will be instructions on what you're going to need before you do start. So your driving license, to be a resident of Great Britain, and to not be banned from driving. And if you want to apply by post, there's still an option here. Anyways, go ahead and press on start now. And once you do already have the requirements, you can just continue smoothly and you will be able to change your address in your provisional driving license. But that's pretty much the general idea on how you can change your address on your driving license. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.